clouds rolled in, the sky turned gray. Raindrops pelted, a storm came to stay. Streets filled with water, the town in a mess. Branches and puddles brought worry and stress. But through the rain with a mighty roar, three heroes came to help restore. The fire truck said, "I'll clear the way." Its hose went whoosh to save the day. The police car beeped, "Keep moving through. This road is blocked, I'll guide you." With the beep beep signal and flashing light, it kept the traffic flowing right. The ambulance raced with a gentle hum, checking stranded cars one by one. Need some help? We're on our way. Its bright red light shone through the gray. Together they worked a marvelous sight, clearing the streets with all their might. The town cheered loud as the storm withdrew. Thank you, heroes, for all that you do. So even on stormy, rainy days, teamwork and care will find their way. The town stands tall with hearts so bright, grateful for heroes who bring the light.